Grant Garcia, one of the sports and knee surgeons here. Today we're going to do a video testimonial of a young patient, extremely active, running, climbing, backcountry skiing, hang gliding, you name it. Unfortunately, she suffered an ACL tear, and she had previously had surgery on her ACL, so this would be a revision surgery. In addition, she had a very unusual meniscus tear, which was missed initially on the MRI. So we evaluated the MRI. Again, we don't usually look at the reads. We like to take a look at the MRI itself, and found a very unusual radial split tear right through the root. So she needed to have a special root repair with her ACL reconstruction. We ended up using her own graft, and you can see she's back to all of her sports. She's extremely active and happy, and hopefully you enjoy the video testimonial. Thanks.
And my body turned and my legs stayed the same. There's actually a video of it people have seen. They said it looks like my leg came off. Yeah, totally torn. I knew immediately that something was very wrong. Heard loud noises, very painful, and then had to get my way off of this mountain. But after seeing a couple different surgeons to figure out what exactly I did in there, I saw a few that seemed good, but they actually missed a few things that were also wrong. And then I got a very high recommendation for Dr. Garcia from a friend who also is a rock climber and outdoors. They do a lot of mountaineering, and they had told me that Dr. Garcia got them back up into shape quickly. So came here, and it seemed like a really good fit, and so wanted to go with Dr. Garcia for the surgery. I felt really more comfortable here because it felt like this office really understood more of what I was trying to get back to, and that I wasn't just trying to get back to working in an office. I do work on the computer during the day, but pretty much every day I like to go outdoors and do outdoor sports. So this office seemed to really understand that better. So after surgery, I was obviously non-weight bearing for a while, and so we just had regular check-ins here at the office, and I would talk about the things that I wanted to get back to, and Dr. Garcia would tell me where, based on the timeline that I had, how long it had been, and how my knee was feeling, and what the PT notes were saying of what I could get back to and what I should still hold off on. Yeah, I am pretty much back now to 100%. I'm running fairly far distances, and back to mountain biking, back to rock climbing and skiing. I skied the first day, November 7th. It was a great day, and I still wear my brace, definitely. I'll probably wear that the rest of my life when I ski. But it's pretty low profile. It doesn't really affect me that much. I just need to remember it. Just put it in the beacon probe, shovel, brace, have that as part of the safety kit. And yeah, then it's all been feeling really good.